perform the best you can. Be as healthy as you can be. Anticipate risks and take steps to minimize them. Become the best possible version of yourself. That's what drives a lot of us. Technology helps us improve ourselves. And that's what drives us too. There's only one difference. We aim to improve your business. Corrective services help you identify and restore operational conditions without delay. Preventive services help you avoid unscheduled downtimes and build expertise. Predictive services help you look into the future with condition monitoring and forecasting. Digital Industry Services help you develop new business models based on our in-depth domain know-how and outstanding digital expertise. They create value added through the intelligent use of data and protect your plant with security measures. Be at your best with industry services from Siemens.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.